What's all the freckles about on this big motor yacht? You can see the underwater part of the boat is gray, light gray and dark gray. And I know that this boat has had a peel and a bottom job done on it. And that gray coating is an Interlux 2000 barrier coat. And when you put it all together, you may still have some pinholes in the barrier coat. I believe this boat's got 6 coats of barrier coat. And then they come back with a little bit darker material and they fill it up with what we would slang name talcum to make it thicker like a putty and fill in all of the pinholes. So that's why you've got the 2 different colors, so that you'll know what you're looking for when you come back to sand it and touch it up. You can see here there was a blister that they had dug out. And you can see where the bow thruster tube is. Of course, the propellers have been removed. And you can see here with this fiberglass here, it's dry. So they've had to do some touch-up work right there. Of course, this tripod used to be right here. So they moved the tripod over. They used this visqueen or wax paper so it would not stick to the coatings or the paint. And then they'll treat this just like they did here with the Interlux 2000. If you have any questions on blisters or bottom jobs, look us up on the internet, join us in Florida for one of our classes, or remember, ask Captain Chris.